guys, welcome back to my video. And today I will show you my house. Of course. Whew. Bro. Is my load on? Okay. I don't have to worry about ads anymore. Okay. I will skip it until it's loaded, so you guys won't be bored. Okay, I just came here. First, I might introduce you to my second house, which is a bit boring. Yeah, forget that. Okay, this is just my house, a normal house. Yeah, oh my god, I'm so lag. Wait. Weather clear. There you go, my bridge. And this is my original house, of course. I didn't expect that to look good, bro. Okay, run. This is my house, my second house. I will show you where my secret chest is later. This is my pet. Oh. And this is my kitchen. Forget about that. I don't know what they're doing though. Bro. You just add 2 times of this because they are getting out. I mean, oh, why are you stuck there, buddy? What? Okay, this is my chest, my bed, my pet. This is a big space here. And this is my whole chest. And my nether portal though. This is for my survival. So for my survival, if I am in survival mode and I go into the nether, I shall be what are you doing? Okay, and this is my, I don't know, if I'm bored I just watch them. I will be here and watch them. Yeah. And I don't know what this guy's doing. Oh, I did forgot. This is my balcony. They really can't get in there though. And now I think I am gonna show you where my secret chest is. Oh. See that? Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh wow. I'm gonna restart this whole thing now. I'm gonna show you first. Bam. What the? Oh. flexing it just that you see. No, I don't want to end it. Don't mind. Don't mind it. I'ma put you in my inventory. No, not my sword. Not my sword. Bro, it's disappeared. Oh my god. Wait first. Yeah, I am really gonna restart this whole thing. Excuse me. Hehe. Bro. I need wood. There. There. Yes. If you want to know, do you want to know how I did it? Not gonna lie, I am just watching a secret chest tutorial. Damn. There. This is the book. Yeah, that was the book. Oops. Freaking cute. Yeah, see, that's the book. Redstone. Redstone torch. Like you basically just need any treasure plates. There. And you compared it together and throw a block in there. Now it will be okay. Wait, I'm gonna put a lantern. So if I go here, it will be just fine to see. Okay. If you broke in there, I will just kill you. And there's none here. Yeah. Oh, you have 25, of course. Okay. No, no. Bro. How do I put? I didn't meant it there. Perfect. You can't literally see. Okay, let me pursue.